Hi guys, welcome to the Global Education Farm, which is providing research-based right information. Students from all around the world can apply for the fully funded scholarship in top-notch universities in all fields. In this video, I explained easy process. Everyone can write personal statement in foreign pattern to get success. This is best way to write personal statement in foreign pattern. Personal statement should include firstly the introduction about yourself, academic background, relevant experiences, achievements in academia or professional path skills, participations, international debate competitions, social engagements, networks, study or research plan. You should indicate the reason why you decided to apply for this program and what is your career development after study, after getting the graduation from any country. What is your development plan in your country? However, this is complete video. We will cover all these mentioned things in the personal statement. A compelling personal statement will enable you to stand out in a field with other high achieving persons. It will help you overcome any gaps or inadequacies in your record. The passions, accomplishments, ambition, and creativity that you present in a carefully personal statement will go a long way towards success in foreign competition programs. Writing an effective personal statement is difficult. Points in this video should help you count on a lot of thoughts, efforts, feedback from the foreign countries. The skills that you develop in writing an excellent personal statement for the foreign program competition will likely be skills that you will employ throughout your professional career. If you are new one on this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get latest videos about all information. Let me explain in the easy way. Don't try to guess what they want to read. Just write honestly, simply and clearly about yourself and your aspiration in the personal statement. In the personal statement, firstly you need to know that what you need to write and what you don't need to write. You need to write answer the questions very concisely. Be bold but not unrealistically ambitious. Avoid undue repetitions. Say what you mean to say. Write simply. Rely on nouns and active verbs, not adjective and adverbs, to carry the story. Write the opening of each response engaging. Have perfect spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Plagiarism free. Do not copy and paste. Don't use imprecise words such as very, quite, rather, little, many, great, somewhat, far, some, often, deep, or bold. Don't try to impress readers by using words which are not a part of your normal vocabulary or writing. Don't repeat the question in the opening sentence of your response. Don't make a plea for financial assistance. Do not use famous quotation. It's like name dropping. Don't be cute, flippant, profane, or glib. Don't use flowery language or cultured imagery. Like it will be unusual observation of your personal statement. Let's start. Open the WinWord file. Like MS Office Word file, you need to open now. We are going to write the personal statement. Here you can see personal statement. Parkash Om. Firstly, you need to write your last name, and after that you need to write your first name like this is the my personal statement. This is the pattern of foreign countries, so you need to follow. At the first stage, this is the personal statement written in the columns, and you need to write in a inverted comma. Firstly, you need to see here, this is the foreign pattern style. You can choose the version of here. The font size style first, and the B, this should be bold. Move down. This is the space of picture. You can put your picture it here. You can paste your picture it here. After that, in the foreign pattern, you need to write the last name first and the first name in the last, like this. My name was Om Parkash, but in the foreign pattern, it should be written Parkash Om. After that, you need to write full address where you are currently living, date of birth, place of birth, and your country name. Mobile number or phone number you can write this way. Skype ID you can write here. You must write email ID here. Move to the down. Here you can see date. This is my research based work and the foreign pattern. All these things should be written in this way. This is the foreign way about the personal statement. You do not write from this side or here or like this another way. This is the best way to write your personal statement. Write the name where you are applying for that, like university, organization, and any institution. Title should be mentioned here. What is the title? For which opportunity you are applying for? You are applying for internship program, you should write here the METI government of internship program, or any scholarship you can write title. You need to write the address where you are applying for, phone number and email address. After that, move to down. You do not write the greetings, just like hello, respected, honorable, or admirable, whatever you want to choose from this. And whom you are writing, professor, sir, ma'am, or any committee or any organization whom you are writing for that purpose. Now we are moving in the PDF file because these fonts are very small, so it is not appearing very well. This is PDF file. Firstly, we started in the Word file. You should write and in the Word file first. This is the only demo I'm showing you in the PDF file because appearance of this file is very good so that you can see it here and get help easily. Let's see here. After that, you need to write firstly. I hope that you will be fine. And here you should mention your name, state, province, country, and write here about your last education background at the first stage. After that, you can write if you have completed or continuing any study at this stage. You can mention it here about your educational background like this way. Do not copy and paste. After that, move down in which university you have completed about your education or any institution. I studied bachelor honors like this, any discipline. You can write it here, whatever you have completed in the. After writing the master study, now you need to write about your bachelor study, what you have achieved, the score you have been secured in the bachelor. And after that, I have taken a keen interest, whatever you have taken keen interest, both with master and bachelor program. I have participated. If you have participated in the internationally debate, you can mention it here in this way. I have participated internationally debate to present research papers during master program at these universities. So you can mention about yourself in this way. After showing your educational background, in the last stage, you can mention I have passed with the academic record as mentioned along my scanned documents with your filled application form. Education background, it is completed. Now, in the second stage, you can write about your experience in your country like this way. The situation in my country, whatever it is, you can mention it here like this way. However, we are affordable, unaffordable student, whatever you are affordable or unaffordable student, less beneficial, whatever you want to like, you have experience in your country. I don't want to say it here at standard level or whatever you are writing for. Therefore, I have decided to seek education in highly developed countries. Besides, I also interested to apply for this study purpose to abroad. In my past, by this way, I would be able to attempt my goal at professional level in the best education and culture. After that, in the third stage, you should mention it here. I intend to pursue my further study. Likewise, you are writing about your further study and your good stamina, how you are believing in yourself. I intend to pursue my further study in foreign, like you can mention it here, any country name, program. This line is most important. It will not limit me to a single area of study, but will give me a vision into many different areas. I have passion for hard work and have good stamina. Here I have quoted, which is relevant to this study. I believe that the highest level of education is tolerance, said by one of the greatest American author, Helen Keller. After the third stage, you should mention about the study plan or any research plan in the concise way where you are applying for. My quiz for university, organization, institution, or anything where you are applying. Here you can mention the name and full address, whatever you have, which would help me to understand talent of social science or any field you are applying for and give me freedom to explore new avenue in my field of interest, research topic, whatever you have chosen. You can argue in your own way, but I argued that theory of revolutionize that reinforces many international scholarship programs recommends that with international exposure to quality education found in leading universities or any institution, scholars will bring newfound knowledge and experiences back at home country, like in your own country, to positively shape the future of their nations. Moreover, in my point of view, one of the most significant deliberation is the home country context itself. I consider that the graduates or any job experienced people in foreign bring knowledge home back and should apply it for the progression of their countries. I want to do my research under the guidance, whatever professor name is there. After that, write concisely. Do not copy and paste. It is my core intention to pursue internship or scholarship in any bachelor, master, or PhD program in the field of whatever you are choosing and wherever discipline is considered at your estimated university, college, or institution. As I believe that internship program will help me to unveil my ultimate goal, which is to explore myself and as well as vast field of, and it is the only field according to me in which lot of work has yet to be done to meet the requirement of the world. For that I needed to be a part of an institution or any university which could offer me a quality education and research based studies and well qualified professional in related academia in the world. Write about the institution or any organization and whatever scholarship is there, you should write about that. Is certainly a center of excellence. I'm sure that such an environment will bring out the best in me and help me scale new heights. I'm convinced that I will achieve my career goals with destruction in your estimated university college. In the end, you should write this sentence. This is the concise and very effective part. After I had chat with few friends from any country, I have grown more interest to be a part of this institution, university, or any organization you can mention it here, as I have come to know that it has to offer very friendly and light atmosphere inside the faculty and between colleagues. I would surely like a personal interview. This is the more effective point. I would surely like a personal interview to further discuss this opportunity. I'm offering my regards in advance for your due attention to my letter or personal statement, and I hope to meet you in near future or get best response from you. And you must highlight this point in your personal statement. I certify that all information provided as part of the application is true and correct to best of my knowledge. I give my consent to a sponsoring organization or any university considering this application to use the information provided herein for the purpose of scholarship consideration. So that here you should mention the sincerely. Here you should mention your last name and the first name. After that you sign it here. Let's see, this is the demo. You should not follow these type of patterns like this. This is not best pattern to move in the foreign. Let me show you the best pattern. This is the best pattern we have written. Follow this pattern. It is my final advice to everyone writing your scholarship application, essay, cover letter, or any personal statement is to rely, show that you know who you are. What are the relevant past and present experiences that demonstrate your abilities and where you are headed? Use carefully selected language to emphasize your passion, ambition, and enthusiasm, and remember to adopt a positive mindset in which you believe in all the great things you have done and plan to continue achieving in new future. In the end, if you don't believe in yourself, why would they judge you? For any question regarding this personal statement, and if you have any need about this personal statement to write concisely, you should comment. Definitely you will get response. Thank you.